Hi there, today I am going to tell you about 4-channel relay module. This video has two parts. In the first part I am talking about how it works, its definition, its uses, and I am talking a little bit about how can you make it. And in the second part I will show you the code and wiring system with Arduino. So without wasting time, let's start it. Okay, first we get acquainted with this relay board. So this relay board has 4 independently controlled relay, one 12-volt power supply, 4 opto-isolator or optocoupler, 6 male header, 4 status indicator LEDs, 4 NPN transistor, 4 set 3-pin connector. In the set there have normally closed pin, common pin, and normally open pin. So that's all. There are our 4-channel relay interface board. It allows you to control various appliances and other equipments with large current. It can be controlled by the microcontrollers such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, AVR, ARM, and etc. A single channel relay module is a convenient board which can be used to control high voltage, high current loads such as motor lamps and AC load. A relay is actually a switch which is electronically operated by an electromagnet. The electromagnet is activated with a low voltage, for example 5 volts from a microcontroller, and it pulls a contact to make or break a high voltage circuit. This device protects the system from damage which caused by the current error. You can use this relay module in the industrial sector, in the robotics sector, in smart home controls, microwave oven, fans, DC motor, AC lamp, etc. You can also use them for electronics projects. Now let's talk about how to make a 4-channel relay module. You can make it at a lower cost. So things you need for your 4-channel relay boards are a printed PCB board, 5-volt DC relay 4-piece, 6 male header, 4 LED as a status indicator, 4 BC547 transistor, 4 220 ohm resistor, 4 1K resistor, 4 set 3-pin connectors, 4 14007 diode, L7805 regulator IC, 1000 microfarad 25 volt capacitor 1 piece, 105 picofarad ceramic capacitor 1 piece. Now attach all components to the printed PCB board like this. So that's all for today. Please share and subscribe this channel.